Whether you want a keepsake for the holiday season or a decorative piece that'll last a lifetime, Bubzi Co has you covered. Hi, I'm Mel and today I'm here to talk about our air-drying clay ornament keepsake kit. There's nothing quite as precious as a newborn baby, and although we can't keep them little forever, we can help you create a memento with our clay ornament kits that will celebrate the miracle of your baby's birth for years to come. Having a newborn baby can be a bit tough, all the endless nappy changes, feeding times, and restless nights makes it easy to forget to stop and cherish this special time in both you and your infant's life. By creating an impression of their handprint and footprint with our premium clay ornament set, you can keep those beautiful memories forever. Our ornament craft kits come with everything you need to effortlessly create perfect little imprints of your baby's hands and feet in as little as 10 minutes. And with no mixing or baking required, creating your precious ornament is simple, even with a tiny infant around. So easy that I'm going to set the kit up right here on camera. Out of the two included mold shapes, choose your desired one and place it on top of the wax paper. Next, open a clay packet and knead it until it's smooth. Once you've done that, press the clay into the mold, creating a flat surface. Next, press baby's hand or foot into the clay. If you're making a hanging ornament, make sure to create a hole at the top of the string or ribbon. Once dried, you can start to get creative using the included paint, brushes, ribbons and twine. If you have other little ones, get them involved by asking them to decorate their little brother or sister's prints. Whether you're creating them for yourself or planning on gifting it to a loved one, our clay kits will create happiness and memories worth treasuring. Purchase one today and gift them these holidays. Until next time, thanks so much for watching.